What's up, business builders? Ready to turn those business dreams into reality? Today we're diving deep into Alibaba's treasure chest to uncover 33 incredible machines that could be the backbone of your next big venture. From cutting-edge tech to must-have tools, these game changers are just a click away. So buckle up, hit the like button, and let's get this entrepreneurial adventure started. Introducing the 5-axis CNC Milling Machine, a powerhouse in machining complex parts. This factory direct marvel supports both inline and disc tool changing modes, accommodating 6 to 12 tools for diverse production needs. Perfect for engraving, miling, chamfering, drilling, and gluing on materials like wood and metal. It starts at just $3,000. Users rave about its precision, versatility, excellent quality, swift delivery, and robust technical support, making it an ideal investment for high-precision manufacturing. Once you find your gold mine, you'll need to start your own company. But as a solopreneur, you'll end up putting a lot of energy into banking, bookkeeping, invoicing, and tax tracking. All time-consuming stuff that takes up a lot of useful time that could be spent on development. Plus, you'll probably spend a lot of money on the many apps and services for everything, from bookkeeping to invoicing to paying contractors. But what if I told you there's an easier way? Meet Found, a banking app designed specifically for solopreneurs and small business owners. Found brings together all the tools you need to run your business in one easy-to-use app. No more switching between apps or working with confusing spreadsheets. Everything is in one place with no hidden fees. Found automatically tracks and categorizes your expenses, finds tax write-offs, and even helps you save for your estimated taxes every time you get paid. The things I like most about Found include the ability to create unlimited custom invoices and manage your budget with sub-accounts. And the best part? There are no hidden fees and no required monthly fees. Thousands of business owners already use Found every day, saving them a lot of time and money so they can focus on more important tasks. You can head to the link in the description to sign up for a free account with Found. It's free to sign up and there's no credit check. And when you use my link or the promo code EASY, you'll get a $125 bonus dropped into your account when you reach a $5,000 balance within the first 30 days of account opening and maintain it for an additional 30 days. Meet the Dry Ice Blasting Machine, a revolutionary tool for eco-friendly surface cleaning. Ideal for industries such as automotive, aerospace, and medical equipment, it effectively removes rust, oil, paint, and other contaminants from metal surfaces without causing abrasion. Priced at $5,500, it offers efficient cleaning with minimal environmental impact. Users praise its effectiveness, reliability, and the significant time savings it provides. The roof tile making machine is perfect for producing high-quality roof tiles. Featuring an automatic color steel roll forming option, this machine crafts durable and aesthetically pleasing tiles, making it a valuable asset for construction businesses aiming to manufacture their own roofing materials. Starting at $5,000, it receives accolades for its robust performance and the superior quality of tiles it produces, enhancing any roofing material production line's efficiency and precision. This electric-mechanical fish deboner is indispensable for seafood processing businesses. Designed to scale, gut, and debone fish, it maximizes yield while minimizing waste. At $1,750, this versatile machine handles various fish sizes effortlessly. Customer reviews highlight its user-friendliness and the significant time savings it offers, making it a reliable and high-quality addition to any fish processing line. The Biomass briquette press machine is the solution for converting waste into valuable fuel. Compressing agricultural and forestry waste into eco-friendly briquettes, it offers a sustainable energy source. With prices starting at $1,500, it's an excellent investment for businesses keen on renewable energy. Users commend its sturdy construction and efficient briquette production, positioning it as a crucial player in green energy solutions. Transform your lawn maintenance with the smart robot Lawnmower. This battery-operated wireless device offers hassle-free mowing for gardens of all sizes. Priced at $360, it features intelligent navigation and automatic charging, ensuring a perfectly manicured lawn with minimal effort. Customers appreciate its convenience and quiet operation, noting significant reductions in the time spent on lawn care. The fruit Popsicle machine is ideal for creating refreshing treats. With the capability to produce up to 10 popsicles simultaneously, this machine speeds up production for dessert businesses. At $500, it ensures consistent quality and flavor, making it a favorite among ice cream shops and cafes. Reviews highlight its ease of operation and reliability, making it a sweet addition to any dessert production line. This mini jelly bean making machine offers an efficient way to produce jelly beans. This automated machine, priced at $2,600, ensures consistent size and shape, perfect for candy businesses. You can produce vitamin-enriched jelly beans, catering to health-conscious consumers. Users appreciate its precision and the quality of the final product, making it a sound investment for candy manufacturers. The automatic fabric bead punching machine is a must-have for fashion designers and crafters. It expertly punches beads into fabric, adding elegance to garments, accessories, and home decor. Priced at $1,200, this machine is a valuable addition to any creative business, ensuring precise and efficient bead application. Users commend its ease of use and robust construction, praising the professional quality it brings to their projects. The commercial wafer maker is a unique addition to any dessert shop. It creates delicious edible waffle cups and cones, adding a creative twist to serving ice cream. At $2,900, it guarantees consistency and quality in every batch. Users love its versatility and the crispy, flavorful cones it produces, making it a hit with both customers and business owners. Introducing the professional automatic carrot peeling machine, a versatile asset for commercial kitchens and food processing businesses. This efficient tool handles carrots, asparagus, lettuce, and more, delivering high-speed peeling without compromising the vegetable's integrity. Priced at $4,500, it significantly reduces prep time, with users lauding its ease of use and reliability, making it a must-have for any kitchen. The small fruit slicer is a compact powerhouse designed for slicing various fruits and vegetables. With a price tag of $1,600, it's perfect for businesses aiming to streamline their slicing processes. The machine ensures uniform slices, enhancing the presentation and quality of the final product. Customers appreciate its reliability and efficiency, making it an indispensable tool for food processing units. Streamline your garlic processing with the garlic bulb separator. Priced at $700, this machine effectively separates garlic bulbs into individual cloves, drastically reducing manual labor. It's ideal for businesses involved in garlic processing, providing consistency and speed. Reviews praise its robust construction and ease of use, highlighting its reliability. For peanut processing businesses, the peanut shell remover is essential. This $600 machine effectively removes shells from peanuts, ensuring clean, ready-to-use nuts. Designed for high productivity and minimal waste, it's valued by users for its effectiveness and the quality of the shelled peanuts it produces, making it a valuable addition to any nut processing line. Create high-quality quilts and mattresses with the single-needle quilting machine. At $2,000, this machine delivers precise stitching and consistent quality, making it perfect for textile manufacturers. Featuring advanced controls and durable construction, it's praised by customers for its ease of use and the professional quality of the final products, making it a worthwhile investment for textile businesses. The dough sheeter machine is a vital tool for bakeries and pastry shops. Priced at $1,800, it efficiently rolls out dough to the desired thickness, ensuring uniformity and saving time. Ideal for making pastries, fondant, and other baked goods. Users love its robust performance and consistent dough quality, establishing it as a staple in any bakery. Simplify egg processing with the egg break and yolk separator machine. This $5,600 machine effectively breaks eggs and separates yolks, ensuring high productivity and minimal waste. Perfect for large-scale egg processing, it offers consistent results. Customers commend its efficiency and the quality of the separated yolks and whites, making it a valuable addition to any production line. The Dimsum maker machine is perfect for producing delicious dim sum quickly and efficiently. At $1,200, this machine automates the process of making stuffed buns, ensuring consistent size and quality. It's a great investment for restaurants and food manufacturers. Users appreciate its ease of use and the high-quality dim sum it produces, making it a hit in the food industry. For grinding various ingredients into fine powder, the commercial powder grinder is the machine you need. Priced at $1,700, it's ideal for businesses producing spices, sugar, and other powdered products. Customers highlight its durability and efficiency, making it a reliable tool for any food processing business. The feed pelletizer machine is perfect for small-scale feed production. This $400 machine effectively converts raw materials into feed pellets, ensuring uniform size and quality. Ideal for small farms and feed production businesses, users praise its ease of use and the quality of the pellets it produces, making it an excellent investment for enhancing feed production. Introducing the peanut roasting machine, perfect for roasting peanuts, cocoa seeds, and cereals. This machine ensures even roasting and consistent quality, making it ideal for snack production. Priced at $2,500, it offers high capacity and efficient operation. Users appreciate its reliability and the rich flavor of the roasted products, making it a valuable tool for food businesses. Streamline your bottoning process with the automatic bottoning machine. At $2,300, it offers precise and efficient buttonhole creation and snap installation, perfect for high-volume production. It reduces labor costs and increases productivity, with customer reviews highlighting its ease of use and consistent results, making it essential for garment factories. The fruit pulper machine is designed for extracting juice and pulp from fruits. This commercial-grade machine, priced at $1,400, ensures high yield and quality. Ideal for juice production businesses, it offers efficient and clean extraction. Users praise its robust construction and the purity of the extracted juice, making it a great investment for any juice or smoothie business. Simplify meatball production with the automatic meatball making machine. Costing $650, it forms consistent and uniform meatballs, enhancing production efficiency. Ideal for meat processing businesses, it ensures high productivity and quality. Customer reviews highlight its reliability and uniformity of the meatballs, making it a valuable addition to any meat processing line. The Molino peanut butter processing machine is perfect for producing smooth and creamy peanut butter. At $850, this machine ensures consistent texture and quality, ideal for commercial peanut butter production. It's also suitable for processing sesame and other nuts. Users appreciate its efficiency and the quality of the final product, making it a staple in nut processing businesses. Produce delicious mini donuts with the small industrial donut maker machine. Priced at $2,800, this machine ensures consistent quality and high productivity, making it ideal for bakeries and dessert shops. It's easy to operate and maintain, ensuring a steady supply of fresh donuts. Customer reviews highlight its reliability and the quality of the donuts, making it a sweet addition to any dessert production line. The 45-degree edge banding machine is a must-have for woodworking businesses. Priced at $950, it efficiently applies edge bends to furniture pieces, ensuring a professional finish. Perfect for small to medium-sized woodworking shops, it enhances productivity and product quality. Users appreciate its precision and ease of use, making it a valuable tool for any woodworking business. Designed for high-volume manufacturing, the Biscuit production line offers comprehensive setup, including dough mixing, forming, baking, and packaging. Priced at $25,000, it ensures consistent quality and high productivity, ideal for large-scale biscuit production. Customer reviews praise its efficiency and the quality of the biscuits, making it an essential investment for biscuit manufacturers. The candy pouring machine simplifies candy production. Priced at $3,000, it ensures precise pouring and consistent quality, perfect for chocolate and candy businesses. It's ideal for creating filled chocolates and candies, enhancing production efficiency. Users love its reliability and the high-quality candies it produces, making it a sweet addition to any confectionery production line. Enhance your bubble tea shop with the automatic bubble tea sealing machine. At $300, it ensures airtight seals, maintaining the freshness and quality of the tea. Ideal for bubble tea shops and enhances productivity and customer satisfaction. Customer reviews highlight its ease of use and reliability, making it a must-have for any bubble tea business. The wire nail making machine is a robust and efficient solution for producing construction nails. Priced at $3,900, is designed for high-volume nail production, ensuring consistent size and quality. Perfect for manufacturing and construction businesses looking to streamline their nail production process. Customers highlight its durability and high productivity, making it an essential tool for large-scale nail manufacturing. Create high-quality prints with a high-end Dtf printing machine. Priced at $3,100, this machine offers excellent print solution and speed, ideal for custom apparel and textile businesses. It supports a wide range of fabrics and ensures vibrant, durable prints. Users appreciate its ease of use and the superior quality of the prints, making it a valuable addition to any printing business. The tray arranging machine is an efficient solution for organizing and arranging trays in production lines. Priced at $5,200, this machine enhances productivity by automating the tray arranging process. Ideal for food processing, packaging, and manufacturing businesses. Customers praise its reliability and the time it saves, making it an indispensable tool for streamlining production lines.